I'm attorney Rob Levine, the heavy hitter, here in Newington, Connecticut. I'd like to talk to you about motorcycle accidents. People enjoy riding motorcycles because they are both economical and fun. However, the small size and swift movements of motorcycles can be a danger when the other driver isn't paying attention. Each year, more than 55,000 people are injured in accidents involving a motorcycle. If you were hurt by a careless driver, call me now at the number on your screen for a free consultation. I'm attorney Rob Levine, the heavy hitter, and I look forward to helping you get the money you deserve.